Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best wearable breast pump for hands-free pumping, comfort, and convenience on the go, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best wearable breast pumps available today. These pumps are selected based on suction performance, comfort, battery life, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Momcozy M5 Smart App Controlled Wearable Breast Pump, Hands-Free Wireless Electric Pump, 3 modes 9 suction levels, BPA-free, portable lightweight, 24mm flange, 2-pack cozy red. The Momcozy M5 Smart App Controlled Wearable Breast Pump is designed for modern moms who want maximum freedom, comfort, and control while pumping. This completely hands-free, wireless design allows you to pump discreetly at home, at work, or while multitasking, without being tied to a traditional bulky pump. One of the standout features of the Momcozy M5 is its smart app control. Using the mobile app, users can adjust suction strength, switch pumping modes, and monitor pumping sessions directly from their phone. This gives moms precise control over their pumping routine without needing to reach inside their clothing or adjust buttons manually. The pump offers 3 pumping modes, including stimulation for letdown, expression for milk flow, and a mixed mode that combines both. With 9 adjustable suction levels, users can easily find a comfortable yet effective setting that matches their body's needs. This customization helps improve milk output while reducing discomfort or nipple fatigue. Built with BPA-free, food-grade materials, the Momcozy M5 prioritizes safety for both mom and baby. The 24mm flange is designed to provide a secure, comfortable fit, and the lightweight construction reduces pressure on the chest during longer pumping sessions. Noise reduction is another strong point. The pump operates quietly, making it suitable for use during phone calls, meetings, or late-night pumping without disturbing others. Its discreet design fits naturally inside most nursing bras, allowing moms to move freely while pumping. Number 2. MomMed Wearable Breast Pump, Model S21, Double Electric Hands-Free Breast Pump, Leak-Proof Design, 3 modes, Stimulation, Expression, Auto, and 12 vacuum levels, Portable and Quiet, Green, 2-pack. The MomMed Wearable Breast Pump Model S21 is built for moms who want powerful performance, comfort, and simplicity in a truly hands-free pumping experience. This double electric pump allows users to pump both sides simultaneously, saving valuable time throughout the day. The S21 features 3 intelligent pumping modes, including stimulation to encourage letdown, expression for efficient milk extraction, and an automatic mode that alternates between the two. With 12 adjustable vacuum levels, this pump offers more suction customization than many wearable models, allowing moms to fine-tune their experience for both comfort and milk output. One of the key advantages of the MomMed S21 is its leak-proof design. The secure seal helps prevent spills during movement, making it ideal for walking, light chores, or working while pumping. This added reliability provides peace of mind, especially for first-time users. The pump is designed to be portable and ultra-quiet, producing minimal noise during operation. This makes it suitable for discreet pumping in shared spaces, offices, or during nighttime sessions without waking others. Comfort is enhanced through smooth, skin-friendly materials that are gentle on sensitive skin. The wearable structure fits comfortably inside most bras without pulling or shifting, even during longer sessions. Cleaning and assembly are straightforward, with fewer parts compared to traditional pumps. This saves time and reduces frustration, especially during busy days or frequent pumping schedules. Battery life supports multiple pumping sessions per charge, and the cordless design ensures complete freedom of movement. The compact profile also makes it easy to store in a diaper bag or purse when traveling. Number 3. Parawa Hands-Free Breast Pump P16, Wearable Breast Pump Electric Portable with 4 modes and 12 levels, max 309mm of mercury strong suction 19/21/24mm flange inserts wearable breastfeeding pump, 2-pack nude. The Parawa Hands-Free Breast Pump P16 is designed for moms who need strong suction, flexibility, and comfort in a fully wearable pumping solution. This electric portable pump delivers hospital-grade performance while maintaining a compact, hands-free design that fits seamlessly into daily routines. One of the biggest highlights of the Parawa P16 is its powerful suction capability, reaching up to 309mm of mercury, which helps efficiently extract milk even during shorter pumping sessions. This makes it ideal for busy moms who need reliable output without long pumping times. The pump features 4 pumping modes, allowing users to switch between stimulation, expression, mixed, and customized rhythms based on comfort in milk flow. With 12 adjustable suction levels, moms can fine-tune intensity to avoid discomfort while still maximizing milk production. Comfort is a major focus with this model. It includes 3 flange insert sizes, 19 mm, 21 mm, and 24 mm, ensuring a proper fit for different users. A well-fitted flange helps reduce nipple pain and improves overall pumping efficiency. The hands-free, wireless design allows moms to pump while walking, working, or relaxing. The lightweight construction prevents pressure on the chest, making longer sessions more comfortable. Despite its strong motor, the pump operates quietly, making it suitable for use at night or in shared spaces. All components are made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, ensuring safety for both mother and baby. The 2-pack configuration allows for double pumping, saving time and helping maintain milk supply. Number 4. Electric breast pump, lightweight, portable, and hands-free with baby mouth technology, BPA-free, 4 modes, 9 levels. Elevate your breastfeeding style with Mamanua S32. The Mamanua S32 electric breast pump is built for moms who value comfort, portability, and natural-feeling pumping performance. Its lightweight, hands-free design makes it easy to integrate pumping into everyday life without sacrificing efficiency. This pump uses baby mouth technology, which is designed to mimic a baby's natural sucking pattern. This helps stimulate more natural letdown responses while reducing discomfort often associated with traditional pumps. The Mamanua S32 offers 4 pumping modes to support different stages of pumping, from gentle stimulation to steady expression. With 9 adjustable suction levels, users can gradually increase intensity to match their comfort level, making it suitable for both new and experienced moms. Portability is a key advantage. The compact, cordless design fits securely inside most nursing bras, allowing moms to pump while moving freely. Its lightweight build minimizes strain, making it comfortable for longer sessions. The pump operates quietly, making it ideal for discreet pumping during work hours, nighttime sessions, or while caring for a baby. The simple control interface allows for quick adjustments without interrupting the session. Safety is also a priority. All materials are BPA-free, ensuring milk remains clean and safe for feeding. The pump parts are easy to disassemble and clean, reducing setup time and daily maintenance. Overall, the Mamanua S32 is a great option for moms seeking a gentle, natural pumping experience and a portable, hands-free design that supports daily breastfeeding routines. Number 5. Momcozy Air 1 Ultra Slim Breast Pump, 6 ounces per 180 milliliters hands-free wearable pump with wireless charging case and app control with auto mode and full milk alert, industry-first transparent top for easy alignment. The Momcozy Air 1 Ultra Slim Breast Pump represents a new level of innovation in wearable pumping technology, focusing on slim design, smart features, and ease of use. This pump is ideal for moms who want discretion without compromising performance. One of its most unique features is the industry-first transparent top, which allows users to easily align the nipple correctly before pumping. This model includes smart app control with auto mode, allowing users to manage suction levels, pumping patterns, and session timing directly from their smartphone. The pump also features a full milk alert, notifying users when the collection cup is nearing capacity. Another standout feature is the wireless charging case, which adds convenience for travel and storage while extending battery life. Moms can recharge the pump without dealing with cables, making it easier to stay organized. The pump operates quietly and smoothly, making it suitable for use at work, during calls, or at night. All components are made from BPA-free materials, ensuring safety and hygiene. That's our list of the top 5 best wearable breast pumps here on USA Smart Shop. Each option offers unique benefits depending on your pumping needs and lifestyle. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.